Hello guys, so there's a new airdrop just like Hamster Kombat. Not long ago it launched. As you can see, it will launch on the Ton blockchain network. This is just like Hamster Kombat. I mean the interface. Just look how Hamster Kombat looked before they changed their dashboard. The end per tap is here, taps to level up is here, recharge speed, and all the look at the coin, look at all these coins and everything right here. Look at the dashboard actually here. So I'll be leaving the link of this airdrop bot in this video's description box. So if you have not yet jumped on this is actually new, so I'll be leaving the link in the description. Check up on it and then jump on it, and then let's end before this token gets listed on the Ton blockchain. So let's see some few things right here. You can just our regular tap to end, just like on Hamster Kombat. You tap and then your balance will be increasing. So they have this task over here. When you click on the task, it says join, right? So their social, just join their Telegram, X account, that's their Twitter account, their TikTok. You subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then you are done. Here's the daily one also. Every single day you'll be able to claim free coins right here. And then the invite task is also here. You invite people and then you also earn coins. One friend is 10,000. So if you invite 10 friends, you know how everything goes right here. And they have their friends also here. Here you can check about your referrals. I mean people that you invited, you can check up on them right here. It says you don't have referrals right here. You see, when a referral reach the wooden level, I'll get 1,000. So it's an equal share right here. That's how I must say it. And there's also a boost right here. This is called Foxter Kick, and this is the full power, just like on Hamster Kombat. This also has auto bot right here. So you click on airdrop, and then as you can see, airdrop tasks, right? Listing is on its way. Tasks will appear below. Complete them to participate in airdrop, just like Hamster Kombat did. Theirs also will just appear here really soon, so that we can click on it and then complete task, right? But this one, there's no profit per hour, just like the Hamster Kombat. I think the interface and every single thing is like the Hamster Kombat, whereas the game actually looks like tap swap, where you just have to increase your balance. So that's how it is. I'll be leaving the link there, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be there to reply all your messages for you. So that is what I have for you today. Let me make it short, so you can click on the link in the description to start right now. And if you visit their website right here, this is the Foxter Master right here. They have their roadmap right here. So as you can see, May 2024 is when this thing came. So basic game, boost updates, end task, which is officially there. The referral system, daily rewards, level rating. So August, they are going to implement all of these. The Web3 pre-listing quest is going to come on in August. And then I think they will list it on September 2024. So you also have to hop on this right now, because when Hamster Kombat list and tap swap also list, what is the next one again? There are so many coins out there, but we have to also use this one also. So this is their roadmap. See you in the very next one. All right.